Mayflom here, and today I am digging deep in my stash, getting something used up. This would be a Lolly and Grace kit that I bought last October, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cute, I have to have it, I have to make it. But guys, I never did. So this kit comes with everything you need to make your own felt ornament. It was a lot of fun to make, and as you can see, there's color instructions, and I went off the picture and just kind of winged it for a lot of this, but it's a lot of fun. So there's kind of an adhesive backed pattern that you put on each little felt piece and then cut them all out, then remove that adhesive backing, and you start, well, layering everybody up. I really had a lot of fun with the cutting, not so much. Didn't love all the cutting. I love my scan and cut, love my electronic cutter. But I had fun with the process, and I really had a lot of fun with the stitching. I'm really enjoying embroidery projects. So this little hand stitching project was a lot of fun because it wasn't a huge time investment. I think this little deer took 2 hours-ish, maybe 3 hours total from the time I pulled it out, and over 2 days. So it made a fun little side project to take on, and I love that it has the backing so that all of my stitching gets hidden, because all the back of the first white piece gets hidden under the second white piece when you stitch the two pieces together. So that was really a lot of fun, and I would definitely try it again. In fact, I did almost immediately pull out the little hedgehog kit that I had from the same company and stitch that as well. And here you can see my finished deer. Lots of little felt pieces, lots of little goodness, lots of technique that I can use in other craft projects, which I find really handy. So I'm really glad I finally got this kit out. And honestly, I would buy more kits from this person because I really enjoyed getting right into the creating and not having to do a ton of thinking about what colors and what combinations. She had done all of that thought for me. So, hope you like this quick little video. Stay tuned because about once a month I'm going to be adding a new video to this series of May Takes On Her Stash and her kits.